and we're back with the managers of the various credit unions here in Dominica, speaking on loan opportunities with regards to housing, vehicles, etc. But they're just going to share a little insight for us as we're all gathered here today for the Future Housing Program. With us we have Mr. Aylmer Irish, who is the CEO of the National Cooperative Credit Union. How are you feeling today, Mr. Irish?
I am indeed very well. Happy to be speaking with you.
All right. So can you speak to us a little bit about the loan opportunities, especially given that we're here at the Future Housing Program? Okay. So Mr. Irish is here, and as well as Mr. Belfi, and he's going to talk to us. So Mr. Irish, give us a little insight. Talk to us.
Okay, first and foremost, we are here at the Windsor Park Stadium, where we just witnessed the opening ceremony of the Future Housing Program organized by the government. Certainly I can say that from the NCCU standpoint, we are excited about getting involved in the program. Certainly we would like all our members and prospective members to own their own homes as early as possible, and we stand willing to provide the necessary funding. Now, accessing a loan at the credit union means that, one, you are a member of the credit union. It is a requirement that someone becomes a member before accessing credit. And so we would implore those persons who require to access credit through the credit union to ensure that they are members first and foremost.
Right.
What you need to do is, one, contact any of our 7 branches. You will be given an appointment, and at that point the loans advisors, loans officers will inform you of what is required. But in terms of housing, more specifically, it is generally required that, one, you have a plan, 2, you have an estimate, 3, you know what you want to build, and we will, on the basis of that, your salary, your income, your expenses, we will determine what you can afford. So first thing is the members are required to make an appointment with the society. The conditions are not very difficult. However, there are a few things that you need to do. You need to have, one, character in terms of good repayment history or good savings history. You need to demonstrate the capacity to repay the loan. And thirdly, you need to ensure that you have the necessary collateral. So with those 3 things, I can almost guarantee you that you can access credit from the society.
Amazing. Thank you so much for your insight, Mr. Irish, and we do hope that your booth is successful here today, although persons have been coming in and out and in, so we're really looking forward to what NCCU has available for us.
Certainly a pleasure.
And now we're going to move across.
Yes, so now we're going I'm going to introduce you to the General Manager of the West Coast Credit Union, which is the credit union serving the Western Corridor of Dominica.
Awesome.
We're going to speak to Mr. Erickson Robinson, who's going to tell you a little bit more about what the credit union offers to the people of West Coast and Dominica.
Amazing.
So, Mr. Robinson.
Okay. So Mr. Robinson is here.
Hi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. And how are you feeling today here at the Future Housing Program for Dominica?
Oh, I'm very pleased that we're here this afternoon.
Of course, earlier we spoke to one of your lovely staff members. She's right over there. And I know that, as the manager of West Coast, you maybe want to give us a little more insight on as to the loan opportunities available.
Oh, certainly. What we have done here today, we are actually partnering with the Government of Dominica on this initiative as we seek to empower young people. As a credit union, we consider ourselves to be one of the social partners within the institution, and therefore we have developed some products that are geared towards that sort of initiative. Today we have on display our mortgage flex.
Yes.
Our mortgage flex. Yes, our mortgage flex really will seek to touch the young persons, the young professionals who have actually gone out and equipped themselves and are well positioned in really gaining wealth. And this product, we have actually approached it sort of as a risk-based approach to lending.
Okay.
And you would notice that we are actually offering several rates. And we are hoping that young persons can come to the institution, which is West Coast Cooperative Credit Union.
Yes.
And they can speak to us. And we will take into consideration their debt to their income ratio. And we will take one of the most attractive rates to them. And we'll ensure that they themselves can gain a piece of property, a piece of Dominica, and seek to develop themselves.
Amazing.
So at West Coast, one of our primary objectives really is to empower our membership. And we are asking all to come on board with us at the West Coast Cooperative Credit Union and ensure that you are a member and you can take advantage of one of the most innovative products that we are putting out on the market at this time.
Right. Thank you so much, and we do hope that West Coast Cooperative gets so many new members with this new housing initiative.
Lovely.
And of course, please take advantage of the Mortgage Blast opportunity, viewers. Look at the paraphernalia that they have, because you know that it is definitely going to give you that informed decision when you're making your choice for a financial institution for your loan. So we're going to move across with Mr.
So another one, the credit union that has been helping out the population of Dominica is the Marigot Credit Union, which serves the northeastern corridor of Dominica. So now we're going to speak with Reginald Robin, who's going to tell you a little bit about the credit union and what the credit union is doing for the people.
Amazing, thanks.
Mr. Robin?
All right. Good afternoon, and how are you, sir? How are you doing?
Good afternoon.
All right.
My name is Reginald Robin.
Yes, Mr. Robin.
I'm the General Manager of the Marigot Cooperative Credit Union Limited.
Yes. Okay.
So
Yeah.
we have a range of loans that we offer to our members. We have a catchment area from the Carib Territory way down to Bents. So that includes the Carib Territory, Concord, Marigot, Wesley, Woodford Hill, Calibishi, down the way to Bents.
Okay.
We are the third largest credit union on the island.
The third largest credit union on island. Amazing.
And we have, as I said, we have a number of a variety of loans offering. Our lowest in the area of interest rate at present is 5.8% on the reducing balance. That's for mortgage. And we give up to a maximum of 35 years for the repayment period, depending on your age. So for example, if you are now 35 years old, you can get 35 years to repay your loan. If you are 43 years at present, you can get up to 28 years to repay your loan.
Okay.
The thing is, we are trying to keep it within the range of when you reach 71.
Right.
Because your loan is insured up to a certain level. Okay? So when you reach 71, if for example you become permanently disabled or you die, and your loan is down to the level of let us say $80,000 or $75,000. Once you are paying and you are up to date, your beneficiary is clear from any debt.
Right.
Okay?
Yes.
We also offer another very important product in the credit union where we offer a retirement benefit
Okay.
to savings to the member.
Right.
So you can join that scheme from 18 years of age.
Alright, so Mr. Robin is talking to us about this retirement advantage with Marigot Credit Union. So talk to us, Mr. Robin.
Right. So at present, the threshold for entering that scheme is 18 years of age, and we have a cutoff point at 65.
Okay.
We have the best rate on island at the moment of 4.5% interest per annum, compound
interest per annum.
We
Okay.
have a threshold at $10,000, and we give you an opportunity to save up to $1,000 per month.
Right.
So you can start at 50, you can start with 25, you can start with 100, or you can go up to $1,000 per month saving. At the end of the year, for example, if your threshold is $10,000 and you save $12,000 for the year, at the end of the year, you'll be getting 4.5% interest on $22,000 instead of $10,000.
Wow.
And that rolls over to the following year. And every year you save, you build up.
Yeah.
So at the end of 10 years, you could double your investment on that based on how much you're saving.
All
The
right.
best rate on the island at the moment at 4.5%.
At 4.5%. So Gov't Cooperative Credit Union is definitely doing it with their amazing interest rate as well as their retirement scheme. You can start from 18 to 65, and of course, we really want to thank Mr. Robin for sharing that information with us. Thank you so much, Mr. Robin, and all the best for the rest of your day. We know persons are going to be coming to your booth, and we know once they see this live stream. And
You only gave me the opportunity to give you an example of two categories.
or two, well, if you want to give us a little more, talk a little
So
more.
we have the best agricultural loan facility on the island, the lowest rate of interest. Also on commercial buildings, we have the lowest rate of interest on commercial buildings. And fisheries is another category that we have a low rate of interest on.
Okay, so there's agriculture, fisheries, and commercial buildings. Okay, so Gov't Cooperative is really where it's at. I mean, all the other credit unions are doing their thing, but you guys are really trying to set yourselves apart, especially as the third largest on the island. That's really great. Okay, is there anything you'd like to tell the viewers before we leave?
Well, we are wide open. We opened our branch at Westry. We have a branch at Calibishi, Woodford Hill, Wesley, and our head office at Marigot. We are open from 8 o'clock in the morning to 3 o'clock in the afternoon to the public on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. On Thursdays, we open from 8 o'clock to 1 p.m. to the public. And on Fridays, we open from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. non-stop to the public. Apart from that, we take appointments. So once you have an appointment, whether it's 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, the people wait for you to come and do whatever business you have to do once you have an appointment. We are open to facilitate our members as they come along.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Mr. Robin.
You're welcome.
And we do encourage persons to make that appointment so that even if they are working and they cannot come, they can definitely swing by and get that information that they need.
Get their business done.
Of course. All the best, okay?
Thank you
All
very
right,
much for
yes.
interviewing.
Of course.
All right, so now we're going to take you across to the Central Cooperative Credit Union, which is the second largest credit union in Dominica. And the good thing about the credit union is that we're all over Dominica. We have 25 branches and sub-branches spread across the length and breadth of Dominica, and which makes us a very powerful financial institution in terms of serving the economic and social development. So now we're going to speak with Miss Cleo Watt, who's the General Manager for Central Cooperative Credit Union, and she'll tell you a little bit more about what Central has to offer.
Okay.
Cleo
Oh,
Watt.
and she's wearing she's wearing her dress in the most beautiful color. Of course.
Go on now, baby. Go on now. Only don't want some brother there to learn him to hold.
Just
Yo!
Okay. So it's a little rainy at the stadium right now, but where everybody is under their tent, so we're making provisions to.
And you are at the right tent, and you are the tent of the Central Cooperative Credit Union Limited.
Sure. When we did our walkthrough for the fair, we swung by a little earlier,
Yes,
and we spoke to your staff, and they're honestly very amazing. They did a
they
very
are.
good
Yes,
job.
they are.
So
Yes,
can you give us a little insight as to more about the loan opportunities, especially with regards to the future housing program?
Yes, Central. We are proud to partner with the government, especially in this housing program. We look at this as an opportunity to provide additional service to our members. Our members, they have needs, and we are a member-centered organization. And our products and services are geared towards our members who, without their service, we would not be in existence. So first priority, we always try to see. And this is one opportunity, especially the Future Housing Program, where we can offer affordable rates, interest rates to our members, who can provide some support we can provide some financial support in they having the opportunity to own their own homes, especially young professionals in the first phase, 45 years and under. We champion community and every opportunity we can do to nation building, especially the national development of the country. Central is always willing and able to provide that support. I'm here with my team. Team, say hi to our members. Hi.
Yes.
Hi, and we can see we have a full house here.
For sure. A
For
team
the
of
support. Yes,
amazing young people as
amazing
well.
young
So
people
they
as well.
resonate with
Yes, the opportunity. So they understand the plight of the young people and what their requirements are at this time. And so we are able now to relay that information to the potential homeowners and see how best you can make Central your choice, your premier choice.
Well, it is the financial institution of
yes,
choice.
It is. Yes. So we are available for any information that you may require in terms of the loan process. Our loan officers are always willing and able to assist. You can always currently we have two amazing branches, one at Portsmouth and we have one at Goodwill. So you can, at every opportunity, you can visit any one of our branch and find out more information about what we can offer in terms of our loan offerings. And we are willing, our loans officers are adequately informed and they provide you the necessary support.
Amazing.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much,
Thank you so much for
yes.
for every opportunity. And I know Mo does great business with us. So I know we're happy to partner with Mo as well on this activity. So thank you and all the best.
Thank you so much for that and all the best as well. Persons are encouraged to come down to check out the Central Cooperative Credit Union booth. Look at the vibrant team that is there. We've got an amazing bunch of people working with each cooperative credit union, and as well we really want to commend our tour guide, I should say, today. So, any closing words before
we're happy as part of the league, which is the apex body for credit unions in Dominica. We're absolutely excited to share in this moment of nation building. We believe that as responsible financial institutions, we can all contribute to the socio-economic development as we have been over the last 65 years. And all 6 of our credit unions are going to continue to provide that necessary support to its membership and to the country to ensure that there's prosperity for all. And this is really important for us as a socially minded financial institution. In our 25 branches and sub-branches, we are spread out across the country, and we will continue to diffuse message regarding our loan products, housing products, and how is it that you can build savings with us. And we always mention that we're the only financial institution that forces borrowers to save while they pay their loan. So at the end of paying your loan, you would have accumulated an amount of saving at your desired credit union. So we're extremely happy to be here to provide the necessary support and to give more information regarding how the credit union is going to help out in this process. And thank you to Emo and all of the listeners for joining credit union. I know somebody online asked how is it they can reach out. All of the credit unions have social media website that you can reach out. You can also look at the league.
So persons overseas as well as in Dominica can reach out.
So you can reach out to any one of the credit unions' social media website. We have National Cooperative Credit Union, Central Cooperative Credit Union, West Coast Cooperative Credit Union, Marigot Cooperative Credit Union, Grand Bay Cooperative Credit Union, and we have the St. Mary's Cooperative Credit Union in Giraudel. You can reach out to any one of these social media pages and you can get responses in near real time. If you're having any difficulty, you can always reach out to the league's social media page, which is at DCSNL at Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, and we'll be happy to provide a response for you.
All right, and thank you so much. So when you're interested in making that decision regarding your new home, or you are just, looking for an opportunity to save, to spend, to take out a loan, don't be shy and feel free to check out the credit unions. The Societies League is so active in the community. They're doing so many amazing things, and we really want to commend them for all their hard work, as well as our tour guide and representative for today.
Absolutely.
Yes, and we're really grateful that we could have been here today at the Future Home program, the Future Housing program, I should say. It's honestly an amazing opportunity, and
yes, it is.
We really want to stick to that sentiment of building prosperity for all.
Yeah.
So thank you so much to our viewers for tuning in once again, and do have an amazing weekend.